Guys, welcome back, Chef Mike Kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how to make Jamaican stew pork.
Nice.
Chef Mike style.
Right.
Good.
Okay.
So right here, so we have all our fandangos that we're gonna put into our pork. This here is from my rice and peas. Got some thyme. I have my rice and peas here, my pressure cooker just to speed up a little bit. I just have some garlic in there, some green onions, and a little bit of salt seasoning.
Okay.
Over here we have our pork. I'm actually going to be using like pork chops. I'm just going to cut them up just to make the thing a bit faster. So I use the pork chops and cut them up and do it Jamaican style. Brown stew them up and then get them all ready. Okay. And the rice and peas is going to be epic. That this one we're going to do in the oven. Okay. You guys must notice that I get really excited when it comes to cooking. When it comes to cooking, we get excited. I'm sorry about that some mistake. Alright guys, I start this thing up with my onions. Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Sting them. Chop up already.
Yeah. So a little Caribbean spice.
Everything done cut up already.
Yeah. A little bit of seasoning salt. And I'm putting some steak spice in it. A pork butter so you go. We're gonna put some Cajun in it. And we're gonna put some black pepper in it. And don't forget your allspice. Pimento.
Okay.
Yeah, we have some brown sugar, pimento seeds, allspice. Just gonna mix this all up. I'm gonna add a little soy sauce to it to speed it up, and I'm gonna put it in the dutchie. So when you come back, we add it there and go on. That's the soon start catch color. And so my water boil out tight. Some of the fat burn off. So the soon start fry. When it starts frying, then I'm gonna put all the vegetables inside. Thyme, onion, garlic, carrot, rosemary, everything are going in. So now, you just go and fry out the bit.
That's the process. You see, I change up the vibes there, man.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna add in all of my onion and garlic and rosemary. Everything are going in now. I want the onion and stuff to get caramelized. Release all the flavors. Yeah, look at that. So you want to stir that up now. Make butter come on top. Butter. So the onion can get to fry a little bit. Along with the garlic. The only thing I'm going to put in this is ginger. I'm going to have any. Yeah. Make that go and fry a little bit. Then we're going to add a little more. You can put browning in it. But I'm going to add a little soy sauce. Let it cook for a little bit more. Add a little water. Cover it up. Make it go and stew.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I lock him up now.
Yeah, no, I'm going to check for my pizza now. See how far it's coming along. This is the way I do it, right?
I catch you all right, huh?
A lot of people spray that pressure cooker. So, I have some cold water running here. On top. There's a little mechanism right here, so come take on this a second. In time it's safe to open. That little mechanism right there, so I will go down. And this is gonna also go down. Right now we try it full of steam now. See it. See the mechanism is soon gone down. You see it?
See him there? You catch it?
Yeah. Now it's safe to open. So basically that's how you open a pressure cooker.
Yeah.
And most pressure cooker 90%. This works. We're gonna take a look on our peas and see how far along it is. And you can see some of my water gone down already. So I'm going to test it and see if we need a little more cooking. Halfway there. So all I'm gonna do now is add a little more water to it and put it back on for another 15 minutes. The thing with this, you gotta check it every 15 minutes. Even if you check it every 10 minutes, that works, because if you don't check it, sometimes the water gone and next thing you know, your pea is gone up.
You don't want that.
No. Only power. No, you can't hear it now. If you listen to this, hey Google, pause. You hear the song? I say no, say that fry underneath the bottle. That's what we want. I'm gonna make a nice salad. Tangy, sweet, sour. It'll be a nice salad. Normally in Jamaica we do it like this. But this is dangerous, so we get to find out say I'd rather do it that way. The knife has to be really sharp though. You know, so mommy always make this on Sunday. There's a mother with this is cabbage, raw veg, cabbage, carrots. But I like to add some red onions. I like to add some bell peppers to mine. Now I need a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of vinegar, a little bit of vegetable oil. I'll show you when I chop up all this stuff what it looks like. Yeah, that goes in here.
Finger movement, or hand movement. You see that?
Yeah. Yeah, give some extra little cut. Throw them in there. Onion, everything kind of caramelized. Now we can cover it up, add a little water, and just let them go and do the job with fire. Go on, stove. Yeah.
Over more than water. Yeah.
Talk about water, because we add little water in it, make it go on steam. You know? Yeah. That is. And it's to your taste. Has to be a little sweet, a little tangy.
Little tangy, yeah? So, let me add one little piece to it. You see, the more on like, since you don't like what, once you don't like what or not, well, we know on the problem most likely like what everything want to get on the channel. So, if you not help out Mike in our way, the more on the like, the more on the click the like button. So I just jump on the video and start watching, just like the video right away. They help out with the algorithm. So YouTube push the video more to more. Even people who not subscribe to your channel will be able to get a view our channel and learn a little 1 tree. You don't know anything come down.
But I have the nutmeg so right there, so that's a half of a teaspoon. Just throw it in there. You're gonna be surprised the flavor and the onion, the garlic and everything come together. Amazing. You can smell the nutmeg already. And so your pork look already. There. By the time I do that, them part of me you want, you know. One part them part of me love. And it'll get tender already too. Yeah. Now 20 minutes after some time. Onion. Garlic is already inside. I'm gonna put my coconut cream now. I like to use a half a box coconut cream. Let that go and bubble for a little bit.
Wait.
Seat there. And now we're gonna add.
Look, you already washed it.
You watch already, man. So it's up. Boy. Yeah. Need a little stir. Yeah. When you're doing this, it's always good to have like a baking tray or something solid, because when you pick this up, it's so heavy that this will curl on you. You could get burnt. I should have had that already on here, but I'm gonna try to get on there as best I can. Yo, yeah, that's better. Cause that way
Them thing they kind of flimsy, you know?
flimsy. Unless I use, you don't have to use a foil. You can use any kind of other baking thing, a turkey pan. You can use a turkey pan for it too. So right now this is ready. I have my oven preheated and clear it. I'm gonna bake it for, I'm gonna say, because there's so much water in there, I'm gonna go like 380. Yes.
But if you have the right amount of water, you'll look on 350 regular.
350 that work out nice.
Okay.
As I said, you can always add water. Easy if you add water. If it's too soft, you can't go to water back out tight.
Okay.
Just try to make sure you seal it good. Shelly and nice. You see that? You do it in a patio to get some burn at bottom or something. See it? Yeah. Good to go. And that's it. So yes, so we have it Arnold. There's a stew Arnold, yeah, so. Okay. Yeah.